Hello students, my name is Akshay Arora and I am teaching mathematics at EMS Academy. I can feel many of us are staying at home, had no work to do, surfing on internet for various websites, watching videos on YouTube about corona or watching movies and television series on Netflix. Dear student, it's a hard time for those who have just entered in board class or the student who have just given their 12th class board examination and are aspiring for JEEMains. I recommend to all not to waste time on reacting to rumors of corona and spend their time on internet in search of the educational content. I will also suggest you to follow all government guidelines with respect to corona preventive measures such as sanitizing yourself regularly, social distancing, and also avoid to visit crowded streets or place till 31st March as suggested by CM Shri Ashok Gehlot ji. Finally, I had made this video to make you aware that we at EMS Academy are working for the student who are not able to study in their school, not able to attend their coaching classes. For this, we have our own mobile application on Google Play Store. The name of the application is EMS Academy An e-learning app. This mobile application consists of video lectures of maths and science subjects for the class 8th, 9th and 10th. And student, we are charging rupees 2000 per subscription for the whole academic year. But it's free till corona takes a U-turn or got completely vanished. This subscription is absolutely free. You just need to provide your phone number, your name, your class, email address on the WhatsApp number 9783204698. I repeat, you just need to provide your name, class, contact number, email address on the WhatsApp number 9783204698. Within an hour, we may provide you the login credentials of the application so that you may have unlimited access to online video lectures. After watching the complete chapter, we have one chapter wise online test series to ensure nothing is left behind to learn from this chapter. Each test have 2 attempts so that if you fail to score in the first attempt, you still have the chance to score good in the second attempt. The link of the mobile application will be provided in the caption of this video below. Now coming to the students who are in class 11th and 12th, I'll regularly post maths videos on our EMS Academy YouTube channel. You just need to subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates about the maths content. The link of the YouTube channel of EMS Academy will be provided in the caption below. Last but not least, more you watch the videos, more the motivation we receive to work, more better for the society and for the student connected with us through this online medium. Thank you student for listening to me. And yes, I request you to stay calm and safe. Take care of yourself and stay at home. Namaskar.